All right, today's lesson is going to be on sequences of transformations. So now we're going to take what we already did and we're going to apply it to more than one transformation. So let's look at number 1. First, I'm going to go ahead and plot my points. See if I can get this out of the way. All right, so just like we did before, we are going to plot our points. So I'm going to draw my triangle, my pre-image. So I've got 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is my x. And then I've got -2, 1. That's going to be my y. And then I have z, which is -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I put my x in the wrong spot, guys. Come back here, x. All right, let's try that again. That should be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And z is -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. All right, so that is my z. All right, we're going to make our lines. Get that out of the way. We're going to connect them. And, all right, hold on. Let's fix that a little bit here. Let's fix that. All right. Okay, so now everything's in the right spot. Our first thing is that we're going to reflect over the, come back to, oh, good Lord. Let's try this again. We are going to reflect across the x-axis. So I highly suggest you get a highlighter, a pen, a marker of a different color, and go ahead and put your line of reflection. This time it is the x-axis, so that's this line right here. And we remember from yesterday that when we do a reflection, we're just going to count the distance from each point and go on the opposite side of the line of reflection. Okay, so my y is 1 space above. I'm going to go 1 space below. That is my y prime for now. My z is 2 spots up, so I'm going to go 2 spots down. That is my z prime for now. And then my x, let's see how far this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to count down from that line of reflection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so that is my z prime. That's not my z prime, that's my x. Hello. Guys, I'm really messing this one up today, huh? Aren't I? Okay, so x prime. I'm going to connect these, but this time when I connect them, I'm going to do a dotted line because that's not my final image. It's not my pre-image, it's not my final, it's my kind of my in-between right now. All right, I'm going to connect. Why is this not a line? Ay, Dios mío. Here we go. All right. Connect, connect, connect. Okay, so from this one, now we are going to make another move. We are going to now take our blue one that we have here, and we are going to translate it with our rule here. Now remember, we look right here. That says x plus 9. If it's plus 9, we're going to go to the right. And if it is y plus 2, then we're going to go up 2. All right, so I'm going to take each point on my blue triangle, and I'm going to move it right 9, 2 up. Here we go. I'm going to start with y. I'm going to count to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up 1 and 2. That is going to be my final y prime. I'm going to do it with my z. I'm going to start over here. I'm going to count to the right. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up 2, 1, 2. That's going to be my final z prime. And I'm going to move my x. So I'm going to go to the right 9 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up 1 and 2. This is my X prime. All right, that is my final. That is my final triangle, my image. That's going to have a solid line on it. Okay, so that is a composition, doing more than one transformation. All right, let's write in our coordinates for X prime. I have, remember you start from the middle. So 0, 0, we're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And count down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So since it goes down, it's a -5. Our Y, start in the middle, is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it goes up 1, so that's 8, 1. And then my Z, I start in the middle, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it does not go up or down, so that's just 4, 0. All right. Excuse me. All right, let's do this one more time. So this time, oh, I have another triangle. Let's go ahead and draw our original triangle. And like I said yesterday, if you guys have highlighters, colored pencils, markers, use different colors. It's going to be so much more helpful than if you just do everything in pencil. You'll be able to see things a whole lot better. I know a lot of you guys are visual learners, and so using the different colors are definitely going to help. All right, I'm going to go ahead and graph my original or my pre-image. G is going to be at -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's my G. H is going to be at -1, 1, 2, and 3. And my I is going to be at -6, 6. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good Lord. All right, let's make our line. This is my pre-image. Okay. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is a translation. And I know that it doesn't have like the X, Y. So I'm going to rewrite this. It means the same exact thing as X plus 7, Y minus 5. It's just written a different way. All right. So if we look at our translation, it says X plus 7. That tells me that I'm going to go to the right 7. Y minus 5 means that I'm going to go down. Doesn't really look like letters there. Down 5. Okay. So I'm going to get a different color. I'm going to go blue now, and I'm going to take each point and count to the right 7 and down 5. Let me start with G. I start at G. That's my 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oh no, I didn't count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an eraser, not a pen. All right, right there. That's going to be my G prime for now. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Can't shake it. All right, H, let's go right 7, down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is my H prime for now. And then I, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's my I. because it's not my final triangle, I'm going to do a dotted line. I'll do that in blue. Connect my dots. Okay. So sorry. All right. The next thing says we're going to reflect over the line y equals 3. So we need to make our line of reflection. I'm going to get my highlighter out. Now, it says y equals -3. So I'm going to go through the y-axis at -3. Okay, so I look at my y-axis. I go down to -3, 1, 2, and 3. And that's where this line is going to go through. That's my line of reflection. So now I'm going to take each point and I'm going to flip it over that line. It's going to be the same exact distance on the other side. So my H is 1 unit above the line of reflection. So now I need to go 1 unit down. That is my final H prime. G is 1, 2, 3, 4 spots above that line. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 spots below the line of reflection. That is my final G prime. I is 1, 2, 3, 4 spots above. So then we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 spots below. That is my final I prime. I connect my dots with a solid line because this is my final image. And there you go. It's going to be the worst video ever to have to hear all of that. I'm so sorry. Okay, so let's write our coordinates for G prime. Start in the middle, okay? If you need to put a little mark in the middle, this is my origin right here. That's where I need to start counting to find my coordinates. So we need G prime, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We go all the way down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I forgot what I counted the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. Okay, and it's a -7 because we went down. All right, so for our H prime, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we go down 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, our I prime. Start in the middle at our origin, count to the right. It goes to the right 1, and then we go all the way down to -7. All right. So when I come in tomorrow, you should have all of that done on this page. And then I want you to go to the next page and do some on your own. On this page, on page 19, you only have to do 1 and 2. You do not have to do 3. So when I come in on Thursday, when you come in on Thursday, you need to have pages 16, page 18, and page 19 completed. Okay? All right, so I will see you on Thursday. Bye, guys.